If you want to install FL Studio on your MacBook but don't know how, don't worry. I'll guide you through the process step by step. Just follow along and enjoy. First, open your browser and search for Download FL Studio. Click on the official website or use the link I've provided in the description if you're unsure. Once the website opens, simply click the download button. Choose your download location, and the file will be downloaded within a few minutes. Now comes the important part, so pay close attention. The installation is pretty straightforward, just like any other software, so I'll go through that quickly.